Once upon a time, in the enchanting land of glitterdale, lived Sparkle the unicorn, a magical creature with a coat that shimmered like 1,000 stars. One day, Sparkle received a mysterious message from the whispering woods. The ancient trees spoke of a hidden treasure that held the key to restoring balance to their realm. Excitement pulsated through Sparkle's golden hooves as the unicorn embarked on the magical quest. Through fields of rainbow-colored flowers and over crystal-clear streams, Sparkle followed the soft whispers of the wind. The journey led to the Misty Mountains, where a riddle guarded the entrance to the treasure. With wisdom in her eyes, Sparkle solved the riddle, unlocking a secret passage to the crystal caverns. Inside, she discovered the lost crystal heart, a powerful gem that radiated pure magic. As Sparkle cradled the heart in her ethereal mane, the entire land of Glitterdale erupted in vibrant hues, and harmony was restored. News of Sparkle's bravery spread, and the creatures of Glitterdale rejoiced. The whispering woods sang songs of gratitude, and the Misty Mountains echoed with joy. From that day forward, Sparkle the unicorn became the guardian of magic, ensuring the everlasting enchantment of Glitterdale for generations to come.